Guess the animal game. Farm animals. Game mechanics. Read the clues carefully. Guess the farm animal. Try your best and win a star. It likes to eat grass. It's a big farm animal. It provides milk. It makes the sound moo. Cow. It has feathers. Its baby is called a chick. It can lay eggs. It makes the sound cluck cluck. Hen. It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It provides wool. Sheep. It has feathers. Its baby is called a duckling. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound quack quack. Duck. It runs fast. Its baby is called a foal. It can be ridden. It makes the sound neigh. Horse. It's bigger than a chicken. Its baby is called a poult. It has huge feathers. It makes the sound gobble gobble. Turkey. Good job. Here's a star for everyone.